Okay, so first we made a line segment, and I had endpoints of -6, 8, and 3, 4. So first we used our equation of x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and we plug in our points from -6, 8, and -3 or 3, 4, and -6 plus 3, and then we did 8 plus 4, and we divided those by 2, and we use that answer for our midpoint. This is our midpoint. And then to divide it into 4, we have to find the midpoints of that. So we use the equation for midpoint again, but instead of using the x value for this point, we use the x value from our midpoint here. So we did -6 plus 1.5. We divided that by 2, got -7.5, and we divided by 2 to get -3.75. And then we plugged in x2 or 6 for x2, and then we got 8 plus 6, and then we divided that by 2 and got 7. And then that's for, I think, this midpoint. And then next we did we did this midpoint last. So we plugged in our values for the formula and got 3 plus -1.5, and then 4 plus 6, which is right here, and then we got the 4 from here, and then we divided it by 2, and then we got our answer, and then that's how we divided it up into 4.